Good morning, everyone. I, Dr. Maruti Abhiman Londe, Ramakrishna Paramhans Mahavidyalaya Dharashiv. I am going to teach leadership and personality development. Leadership and personality development are intertwined concepts crucial for individual and organization success. Leadership isn't just about position, but about the ability and inspire and guide others. While personality development economics the holistic growth of an individual, including communication, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. Together, they form a powerful combination for effective leadership in the today's dynamic environment. Leadership define one. Leadership is not solely about holding at a title or position. It's about inspiring, motivating, and guiding others toward a common goal. Leadership is not solely about holding and title or positions. It's about inspiring, motivating, and guiding others towards a common goals. Second more, effectively leadership involves understanding team dynamics, fostering collaboration, and making informed decisions. Another one, leadership leaders need to be adaptable, emotionally intelligent, and excellent communicators to negative the complex sides of modern organizations. Self management is cornerstone of leadership, requiring discipline, commitment, and the ability to inspire trust and respect. What is personality development role? What is role of personality development? See, one, personality development is a continuous journey of enhancing skills, self awareness, and emotional intelligence. Second, more to goals beyond external appearance and encompasses emotional intelligence, communication skill, confidence, and adaptability. Then another one, developing strong communication skill, both verbal and non-verbal, is essentially for leaders to convey their ideas effectively and build relationships. Second, more another one, Personality development also include embracing collaboration, teamwork, and adaptability to change. Another one, continuous learning and growth are vital for both leaders and individuals seeking personal development. The interconnection, we will see interconnection. There is a first point, personality development directly impact leadership by effectiveness by shaping the leader's ability to inspire, motivate, and guide others. Another one, strong communication skill, emotional intelligence, and adaptability, all components of personality development, are crucial for navigating challenges and building strong teams. By focusing on personal development, leaders can enhance their self awareness, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately become more effective in their roles. This continued process of self reflection and growth allows leader to align their personal development with their leadership responsibilities, ensuring both their one evaluation and the progress of those they lead. In essence, leadership and personality development are two sides of the same coin. By investing in both, individuals can unlock their full potential and become more effective leadership in aspects of their lives. If you find it is to delegates in front of large groups, one, communication. If you find it easy to voice your opinion in meetings, if you find it easy to voice your opinion in meeting, confidence. If you are often the person people to for advice or supports. Empathy. If you feel you are good and balancing multiple tasks at once, what is personality? Gordon Allport, there is definitions. Personality is the dynamic organization within the individual of those psychological system that determine his unique adjustment to his environment. Thank you.